The Prime Minister is also expected to announce a £563 million contract for Rolls-Royce for the maintenance of Britain's fleet of Typhoon fighter jets, as he speaks at a defence conference in London on Thursday. Sir Keir Starmer will warn of modern parallels with the Second World War, as he urges the UK to seize the dividend from his plans to raise defence spending. The Prime Minister is also expected to announce a £563 million contract for Rolls-Royce for the maintenance of Britain's fleet of Typhoon fighter jets, as he speaks at a defence conference in London on Thursday. Ministers have been keen to stress the boost to jobs and prosperity that plans to increase the UK's defence spending to 2.5% of economic output by 2027 could provide, as they seek to grow the economy. Speaking at the London Defence Conference, the Prime Minister will say, "Our task now is to seize the defence dividend, felt directly in the pockets of working people, rebuilding our industrial base and creating the jobs of the future." Sir Keir will also pay tribute to the veterans of the Second World War who fought in the European theatre, as the UK marks 80 years since the Allies accepted the surrender of Nazi Germany. But he is also expected to reference modern conflicts, such as the Ukraine war, in his tribute. He will add, "Britain's victory was not just a victory for Britain. It was a victory for good against the assembled forces of hatred, tyranny and evil, for the light of our values, in a world that tried to put him out." Now, as you know, there are people who would happily do likewise today. Our values and security are confronted on a daily basis. We must use this moment to deliver security and renewal for our country. At the conference attended by figures from the defence industry, the military, and academics, Sir Keir will add that capitalising on the defence hike should be a national effort, and a time for the state, business and society to join hands, in pursuit of the security of the nation and the prosperity of its people.
Explicar lo que siento cuando tú no estás conmigo, cómo gritarle a los vientos que me perteneces, que te necesito, cómo explicar la alegría cuando tú estás a mi lado. Yo sé que no hay en el mundo un amor más grande como el que me has dado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Y aunque no creo merecerte, doy gracias al cielo de haberte encontrado. Te amo, amor, te amo, por siempre 1000 veces te amo. Que Dios bendiga tus ojos, tu cara bonita, tu amor, tus encantos.